Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another quick tip to know whether how you can add your logo to your long videos using Shotcut. So to add logo to your long videos in Shotcut, open Shotcut and add your video to the playlist, and then add it to the timeline, and then create another video track to add your logo. Now add your logo to the Shotcut and drag and drop it to the new track. Well, the track I have added is not that long, so I'm just increasing its length by copying and pasting it many times on the same track. And here you can see that it's almost 9 minutes and 45 seconds long. Now, the first way of adding your logo to the entire track is to go to Properties after selecting the logo. And here, increase the duration of your logo according to your need. And I'm just stretching it to the length of 9 minutes. And then just click on somewhere on the timeline. And here you can see that the logo has been stretched to almost the entire video. Anyhow, I'm just undoing it by pressing Ctrl+Z. Now, before applying the second method, first adjust the size and position of your logo according to your need. Then stretch it a little bit longer. And then just copy it either by clicking on this icon or pressing Ctrl+C, and then just paste it on the same track by keep pressing Ctrl+V until it covers the whole track. And then just split the extra length you don't need and delete it. And this is how you can add your logo to your long videos using Shotcut. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.